and hail and flying swords. What are flying swords? Flying swords are talking about war planes. You understand? Nuclear missile. You understand? Any weapon that can fly is a flying sword. A sword is just a weapon. You understand? And many waters. What are waters? Waters are people. Talking about army, soldier. See? That all field may be full and all rivers with the abundance of great waters. Let me continue reading. 42. And they shall break down the cities and walls, mountains and hills, trees of the wood and grass of the meadow, and their corn. Verse 43. And they shall go steadfastly unto Babylon. Who is Babylon? America is Babylon. America is this Babylon that enslaved the Most High people. You understand? And they are going to face an imminent nuclear destruction as the Bible